We have some breaking news coming in. TMC MP Sukhendu Shekhar Ray questions Kolkata CP. Sukhendu says CBI must act fairly. Custodial interrogation of ex-principal and police commissioner is a must to know who and why who floated the suicide theory and why it was floated. Why Wolof Hall was demolished, who patronized Roy to be so powerful, why a sniffer dog was used after 3 days. Hundreds of such questions. Make them speak is what the TMC MP has said. Ritik Mandal is joining us live on the broadcast for more on this. Ritik, TMC's Sukhendu Shekhar has called for an impartial probe of the CBI into the ex-principal of RG Kaur Medical College. Tell us more.
What we see is very senior MP of TMC, and of course, it's a very senior veteran leader. He is upping the ante against the administration and police, and the way the administration and police has reacted to the incident, the horrifying incident unfolded. This is not the first time that he is being vocal against it, but a very, very significant comment that is coming from Sukhendu Shekhar Roy, who is a very veteran one of the ruling dispensation, and he posted on Twitter, and he demands that the central probing agency must act fairly, and of course the custodial interrogation of the ex-principal, that's Sandeep Ghosh, which has been done, who has been grilled for several hours by the central probing agency, and he demanded for a custodial interrogation now, and of course the interrogation with the police commissioner is a must to know why and who and why called the parents and told about the suicide, and told it was a suicide of that lady doctor. So a very strong comment and reaction is coming from Sukhendu Shekhar Roy. We believe that many party men and of course many people being very vocal against this thing, and they are condemning the police, but we do see that pressures are only mounting on the police and of course the ruling dispensation over its role, be it in investigation or also with regards to the ruckus happen at the hospital premises on the eve of the Independence Day at midnight. So these are questions being asked, and that's very significant that Sukhendu Shekhar Roy, a very veteran leader of the ruling TMC party, is also raising questions on the role of the hospital authority and also the cops.
Absolutely, Ritik. Stay with us. We're going to come back to you for more on this. Chorus for justice for Abhaya is growing by each passing day. Doctors across the nation are on the streets protesting against the brutal rape and murder of 31-year-old Abhaya. Amid this, a CFSL team from Delhi has reached Kolkata to conduct psychological tests of the prime accused, Sanjay Roy. The tests will help understand the criminal mindset of Sanjay. Meanwhile, Indian Medical Association wrote to Prime Minister Modi demanding his intervention in the case. IMA also demanded compensation for victims' families, speedy probe and better working conditions for resident doctors to ensure their safety. However, Centre has promised to form a security panel to ensure safety of healthcare workers. A petition has been filed in the Supreme Court seeking removal of victims' pictures from all the social media platforms. The petition says that revealing victims' identity is affecting her family. Nirbhaya's mother has also joined the chorus for justice, condemning the rape horror. She said, and I quote, "We are still living in 2012.
जो बच्ची के साथ घटना हुई है, उसके साथ जो दरिंदगी हुई है, जो भी मुजरिम उसमें शामिल है, एक है या एक से ज्यादा है, उनको जल्द से जल्द पकड़ा जाए। कहते हैं कि डॉक्टर भगवान होते हैं। अगर हॉस्पिटल के अंदर खुद जहां वो ड्यूटी पे है और वहां वो सुरक्षित नहीं है, तो आप आम महिला और बच्ची के लिए क्या सोच सकते हैं? जब भी कोई घटना होता है, निर्भया का नाम आता है, लेकिन निर्भया की घटना से, उसके मौत से हमने क्या सीखा है? हमारे सिस्टम में क्या बदलाव आया? हमारे कानून में जो भी बदलाव उस पे काम का क्या हुआ? आज भी हम 2012 में ही खड़े हैं।
I'm going to go back to my colleague Ritik Mandal, who's tracking the story live from Kolkata. Ritik, you know, the centre has been doubling down when it comes to the law and order situation in West Bengal, and the MHA also issued an order over a 2-hourly report for all the states to send to the centre. Give us more details on that.
Definitely, states intervention in this matter is very important. But we know that now, they are seeking for a detailed report over this issue, and a lot of things are happening. But we know that some committee also wrote to the Prime Minister seeking intervention. So, what we see that the center is closely monitoring the development with regards to this matter, and pressures are only mounting on the state government because there are a lot of things being happen now. But we know that this Home Ministry is seeking a report from the administration and the authority, and uh, there are pressure we do see that are mounting on the CBI to to speed up the investigations. And people over here, I spoke to them even last night, the protesting doctors and many across the length of breadth of the society, they all demanding justice and want a speedy, justice or a speedy investigation. They want to know whether it was a solo crime, the Sanjay Roy, who has been arrested as of now, as police claim that he was as of now, all evidence, circumstantial evidences, and what they have got was suggesting that this man was the only one behind this crime, who had a very close relation to the Kolkata police, and of course having closeness to several cops, and it was appointed by the police for the welfare committee of the police at the Arjikar hospital. So whether this man is the only perpetrator behind this
Right.
heinous crime, or there are some other involvement. So these are things that people want to know, which is why possibly CBI is taking all kind of thing, and special team have been sent to Kolkata to speed up this inquiry. Back to you.
Right. Thanks, Ritik, for bringing us all those details. Politics over Kolkata rape case intensifies. Amid massive protests by the doctors seeking justice for Abhaya, the West Bengal government will soon launch its flagship program for women who work on the night shift. The scheme aims to provide safe working conditions for women on the night shift in government hospitals and medical colleges, hostels and other places engaging women during the night. On the other hand, the BJP continues to rain fire on West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee and asks her to stop the dramebazi on the streets of Kolkata. The Saffron Party even alleges that Chief Minister herself was behind the cover-up in the case. Meanwhile, SP Chief Akhilesh Yadav backed his India Bloc colleague and claimed that Mamata Banerjee herself is a woman and she understands the emotions in the case better than anyone. He even lashed out at the BJP to stop taking political advantage of such a sensitive case.
ममता बनर्जी जी खुद महिला हैं और एक महिला का दुख दर्द वो समझती हैं। उन्होंने कार्रवाई की है और जो उनकी डिमांड्स थी सीबीआई या अन्य संस्था से जांच कराने का, वो भी फैसला सरकार ने लिया है। लेकिन इसके साथ साथ भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लोगों को राजनीति नहीं करनी चाहिए। और अगर बंगाल के बारे में इतनी चिंता है, स्वाभाविक है जो घटना हुई है उस हिसाब से जो लोग डॉक्टर्स हैं सब लोग स्ट्राइक पे गए हैं। लेकिन बीजेपी को घटनाओं से राजनीतिक लाभ नहीं लेना चाहिए।
न्याय मिलना चाहिए। डॉक्टर लोग जो स्ट्राइक कर रहे हैं, पीछे रखिएगा। अब क्या घटना हो रही है, किया है जघन्य है, महिला के साथ हुआ।
अरे बहुत ही बर्बरता है ये, बहुत ही इसका घोर खंडन करते हैं। इसका पूरा का पूरा जांच हो और यहाँ पर न्याय मिलनी चाहिए उन लोगों को जिनके ऊपर ये अत्याचार हुए हैं, और ख़ास तौर पर कौन है ये अपराधी, उनको कड़ी से कड़ी सज़ा मिलनी चाहिए। अब सीबीआई जल्दी करे काम। जब राजनीतिक जो ओपोनेंट्स है उनके ऊपर डंडा चलाना है तो सीबीआई एकदम फौरन काम करती है। अब ऐसे चीज़ों पे न्याय दिलाए।
CBI has taken over, but violence continues. The Chief Minister is resorting to blame game, and she is accusing the opposition. And she must understand she is the Chief Minister. She cannot shift blame, accusing opposition. She cannot escape from her duty.
Completely TMC के मॉब है। पुलिस और टीएमसी के गुंडा लोग मिलके ये काम किए हैं। आज विनीत गोयल और विनीत गोयल का टीम पहला आधा घंटा क्यों कुछ नहीं किए, क्यों टीयर गैस नहीं फेंके। आज आपका रिपोर्टर का पीछे में वो लोग छुप रहे थे, क्यों? नाटक मत करिए कि ये भाजपा किए हैं। जो लोग आंदोलन कर रहे जस्टिस के लिए, जो लोग आंदोलन कर रहे ये बेटी के लिए, वो जाके डॉक्टर लोग को ही मारेगा।
कि वो केवल पॉलिटिकल टूरिज्म करते हैं। जहां उनको लगता है कि वहां पर उनको माइलेज मिलेगी, वहां जाते हैं, जिम्मेदारी कुछ लेते नहीं हैं। और इसीलिए जहां पर जिम्मेदारी है, जहां उनके अलायंस है, वहां पर जिस तरह का हाल हो रहा है उसकी परवाह नहीं करते। सो राहुल गांधी केवल वल्चर पॉलिटिशियन है।